Alright, our next song is The Maps. It's called The Maps, but before we do it, I'd like to introduce us. I'm Adrish, I'm 15. This is for Sean, he's 16. And we have our drummer, he goes by Chico, and he's 11. He's probably blowing your minds. Okay, this one's called The Maps. Alright! Are you ready? Yeah? Are you ready? Alright, here we go. Right on top of the wall, faces up the mall, laying down on the ceiling, and I won't get what you're feeling, but close your eyes, I'll hypnotize the pain and feeling, your money better be like, yeah! That was pretty good. We go again. 1, 2, 3. It's all an illusion, and you're lost in the confusion. Oh, the patient band. Oh, be very brave. And there's a black rain coming your way. We'll get you now, got red-handed. Hey! It's all an illusion, the penny shipping and your lost in the confusion. Oh, you're caught in the barbed wire of your own desire. The maps are showing up, it's time you give the answer. Cough it up, all your mothers are turning to dust.